नाजरीन, सिटी टीवी न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। विकास हाई स्कूल को कौन नहीं जानता है। तालीम के इस दौर में एक अच्छा मुकाम रखने वाला इदारा है ये। यहाँ से कई तुलबा इल्म हासिल कर कर अच्छे अच्छे मुकाम पर पहुँच चुके हैं। आज इसके 20 साल मुकम्मल होने पर 20 साल से तुलबा की खिदमत करते आ रहा है। साइंस एग्जीबिशन के भी आज 10 साल मुकम्मल हो चुके हैं। इसके डायरेक्टर जनाब मुदस्सिर ने तमाम वालिदैन का और इस एग्जीबिशन में हिस्सा लेने वाले तुलबाओं का शुक्रिया अदा किया। यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल मिस्टर जोसेफ, जिसके ज़ेरे निगरानी में यहाँ के तुलबा इल्म हासिल कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने भी बच्चों की तालीम अच्छे से अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे और यहाँ के मैनेजमेंट का भी उन्होंने शुक्रिया अदा किया।
Charges and staff who has worked very hard for the science fair to have the competition. To science fair is the competition which we kept for to take this opportunity. The Vikas has in the year of academic 1917 that we have going to exceed. This is the parent, this is a curriculum partner which we are going to introduce. So I hope, and we all parents, everybody, ask them to cooperate us, and we have been working very hard. As the French philosopher Louis has said regarding the scientist, which is not the who asks the question, but is the scientist is not the who is give the good reply, but is the true scientist who can ask the right question. So today the science project which we have made, and the children making the project. So when they make the project, they themselves question what they are doing. So this is the first step towards become a scientist. So I pray to Almighty that the future will be bright, and I need the parent cooperation and all that. Once again, we need staff and all that. I would like to thank all.
To enlighten the hidden talents of the students. They can express their thoughts, and they can improve their minds by doing these all works. What they are doing in the science field is they are applying whatever they are studying in the particular subjects, and with these things they are taking much interest in the subject. Whatever content is there in the subject, they are learning very interestingly. And nowadays all these project works, all these makes the children involved in the activities. Because of all these extra gadgets of scientific technology, system, laptop, whatever things are there nowadays, tabs. So students are involved in all these gadgets. So in order to divert their attention from all these gadgets to our education system, so these are the best platforms to showcase the talent of the students, to keep their minds involved in these activities. And apart from this, if they are involved in these activities, they will learn the teamwork, how to do the teamwork. And last but not least, I want to say that in doing so, what we are doing, we are enlightening the hidden qualities, the talents which the students can't express by themselves. So a good teacher is one who is enlightening the hidden qualities, and our staff is doing the same work by doing all these project works. I hope the same thing will be going on in the future also, to make the teacher-student interaction more interesting.
Sir, Director Moshi sir started our school in 1997. Almost 20 years, 2 decades completed. So actually we got the recognition 1998 education in the society. Our ICC academic results are very good. In the 7th also actually they are doing good. And all these high school children, they are speaking fluent English, and we have good academic track. And actually, and our chairman sir is giving better education. Actually, his intention is actually his aim is actually in this society actually want to give good education for the poor children. So in future actually he wants to continue. And in this year, in previous years also actually we conducted the science exhibition. In 2017 also, our chair with support of our chairman sir, we conducted this program. And our motto is actually being conducted. This science fair is to focus attention on the scientific and experience as in school. Actually, why we are conducting this science exhibition is to enhance the interest in scientific investigation beyond routine classwork. Children actually they are studying at school only. By making this science program, actually they get their knowledge and actually practically what they are going to do in future. Actually in higher studies, actually if they develop very much. So to offer an opportunity for to display all scientific talents through exhibit and demonstration. In future also, actually we are going to conduct many programs. All the parents and this society and this neighborhood, they are helping us, and we are doing good education, one and all, everybody. Thank you.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह विकास हाई स्कूल अपने सन्य क़याम से लेकर जिसको तकरीबन 20 साल होने को हैं, इन 20 सालों में ख़ासकर पुराने शहर में विकास हाई स्कूल ने तालीमी एतबार से, अखलाक़ी एतबार से, तरबियत के एतबार से जो हैरत अंगेज़ इनकलाब बर्पा किया है वो पूरे शहर के सामने है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सन्य क़याम से लेकर अब तक कई SSC के बैचेस यहाँ से फ़ारिग हुए हैं और यहाँ से फ़ारिग होकर रियासत के टॉप इंटर और डिग्री कॉलेजों से फ़ारिग होकर माशी एतबार से मजबूत होकर कौम व मिल्लत की खिदमत में, अपने घर वालों की खिदमत में मसरूफ़ हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा कारनामा है विकास हाई स्कूल का। और ख़ुद नाम के अंदर आप देखिए विकास इसका नाम है जिसके माने तरक्की के हैं, डेवलपमेंट के हैं। तो लिहाजा अपने नाम, इस्म ब मुसम्मा